Hi kids. Hi there kids. Wanted to get a quick one, see if I get lucky. This van I'm diagnosing has the classic and very noticeable symptom of a strut gone bad, and I'm hoping I can get some audio of that so you'll know what to listen for. What I'm doing is I'm turning the wheel. Hear that? Okay, that is a strut, and that noise is the spring catching as it rotates, because the whole spring thing rotates and it's catching and releasing because the strut bearing is bad. And it has a, if you can hear it in person, it has a spring boingy component to it. Boing, boing, a little bit, not quite so cartoonish, but you can feel it in the wheel. You can actually feel it has a pitch to it in the wheel because of that springiness. It has a boom, a hum. Yep. Pretty straightforward. Well, now we know. Diagnostics, bitches. She's a goddamn lovely van. She's a lovely van.